Hey guys, so when I first started this, I was only selling single cards, just like this, packaging every sale one at a time. But here's the problem, trying to buy sealed product at retail? Yeah, it's nearly impossible right now. Shelves are cleared in minutes, and most resellers mark everything up immediately. That's when I realized if I was going to take this seriously, I had to find a better way to source. So I started digging, networking, cold calling, and emailing, and eventually I found a guy down south selling sealed booster boxes below market value. We talked, I verified everything first, and then I made the huge move $1,400 spent upfront, straight into inventory that I can actually work with. Now I'm scaling singles, sealed, all of it. Every order is a step forward. If you're into cards or curious about the business side of collectibles, I'm documenting it all, from the grind to the growth. Follow along.